The success of our policy depends on ensuring popular participation, a diligent civil society, free flow of information, an active and vibrant media which provides the public with accurate, relevant, and timely information and promotes uninhibited public dialogue and discussion on a wide range of issues. Without such a policy environment, the process of democratization and accelerated sustainable development cannot be realized. Since some challenges remain still in the media sector, we have organized a series of consultative forums that aimed, among others, to further enabling environment for the media industry in Ethiopia. We have gathered constructive responses about our reform initiatives from our stakeholders through direct dialogue and written submissions. The reform initiative aims at addressing such key problems as lack of quality and diverse content in programming, chronic undercapacity in content production that does not match with ever-increasing demand for infrastructure expansion, issues pertaining to incentives for competition, as well as the need to address problems associated with poorly skilled human resources. Media management issues were the subject of inclusive stakeholder consultations. We have so far been able to identify factors conducive and adverse to the development of the fledgling media industry in Ethiopia and deliberate over proposed course of action towards improving the quality and diversity of media sector, and was successful in obtaining valuable stakeholders' inputs. The initiative was triggered by the government's commitment to further and deepen its media reform undertakings and focused on introducing change in the existing structures and practices of the broadcasting and print media sector to ensure a maximization of the public interest. We have compiled the outcomes of the deliberations and will be open for public consultation with a view to any review deemed necessary to deepen the reform in the industry. The Ethiopian government is making every effort to introduce a conducive policy framework that catalyzes investment in quality among national content providers so as to boost greater diversity of voice and quality competition in programming. We are committed to mobilize resources for promoting increased professionalism and capacity in the media sector. We will also aspire that our human resource development programs to accelerate the development of the media sector as contemplated in our growth and transformation plan, which includes but not limited to improve the capacity of our journalists, editors, media managers, advertising and marketing departments, and technicians across the industry. In the regulatory regime, we have extended considerable effort to the safeguarding and promotion of journalistic standards by actively encouraging journalists and media establishments to establish their own self-regulatory mechanisms.